Good morning dear students. Today we start our exercise 5D. Before exercise 5C we did cross multiplication method, and this exercise will do which method? Substitution method. First of all we need to know substitution method, how to do. Cross multiplication, last exercise we did, we know the method how to apply cross multiplication. Now substitution method, how to do this one. Suppose here it is our equation 1, this one is our equation 1, and this one is equation number 2. So first of all we write this one equation number 1, this one equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 also, or from 2 also, from any equation we need to find out any variable value, maybe x value or maybe y value. So see, in equation number 1 it is our 2x plus our y is equal to 5. So here x coefficient is equal to our 2, x coefficient 2, and y coefficient it is nothing, means our 1. So from equation number 1 also it is our equation number 1. From this one we are able to get this one, y is equal to 5 minus 2x. Now from equation 1 we got this one, so it will be our equation number 3, because this one is our second equation. Now from equation number 1 we got this value. This value we need to substitute in our equation number 2. So we will get the value of our x. So this method is known as our substitution method. So when we solve, you will understand this one nicely. So first of all we have given this one equation number 1, this one equation number 2. So here take out the value from equation number 2, x value we take out. So equation number 2 it is our x plus 3y is equal to 5. So x plus our 3y is equal to our 5. So here x coefficient nothing, that means our 1, and y coefficient is equal to our 3. So if we keep this x in our right hand side only, so it will be easy for us. So x will be our equal to 5 minus 3y. So this one will be our equation number 3. So see, this one equation number 3. Now this equation number 3 one we need to put this value, this x value we got from which equation? From 2 only we got. So this value we need to put not in 2. This value we need to put in our equation number 1. This x value is equal to our what? 5 minus 3 1. This value we need to put in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is our 2x plus our y is equal to our 5. See, this is our equation number 1. So instead of this x we'll put now 5 minus 3y. So 2 into will be our 5 minus 3y. Then our plus y. So plus y is equal to our 5. Now with 2 will multiply this one. 2 into 5 will be our 10. Plus minus minus 2 into 3 6, and y. Plus our y is equal to our 5. Now here two our like terms are there. This our minus 6y and plus y. So minus 6y plus y will be our minus 5y. So minus 5y, and this 10 one will shift to our left hand side. So it will be our minus 10, because this side it is our left hand side, it is our plus, so right hand side it will be our minus. So 5 minus 10. So 5 minus 10 will be our minus 5, and this side also our minus. So minus minus will be our cancelled. Now 5 divided by 5 is equal to our 1. So y value we got our 1. Y value what we got? 1. Now this y value we need to put in our equation number 3. In equation number 3, if we put y value 1, so x value will get, so see, x is equal to our 5 minus 3 into y value our 1. So it will be our 5 minus 3 into 1, 3. So 5 minus 3 is equal to our 2. That means our x value we got 2. Therefore the required solution is our x is equal to 2 and y is equal to our 1. Now number D. Number D, equation 1 it is our given 3 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 1 and half. This is our equation number 1. And equation number 2 it is our given 9 by x plus 4 by y is equal to our 4. So this one is our equation number 2. So we have written this one equation number 1 and equation number 2. Like before one, this maths we are not able to do. So we need to consider it is our, see, 3 into our, it is our 1 by x. So if we multiply this one, it will be our 3 into 1, 3. And x, this 3 down 1 is there, so x into 1 x. So this one, if we consider this one is our a, 1 by x is equal to our a or u or m, anything we are able to consider. So this equation will be our 3 into will be our a. If we are considering a, so 3a. So it will be our 3a. Because we are considering this one is equal to 1 by x is equal to our a. Like this we need to consider this one. And 1 by y we need to consider any variables like our m, n or ab, anything we will consider this one. So first of all we have written this one equation number 1, this one equation number 2. Now we are considering this one 1 by x is equal to our a. and 1 by y is equal to b. So this equation 1 will be our what? 3a, because 1 by x is equal to our 3 into our 1 by x it is, and 1 by x, this one we are considering as our a, so it will be our 3a. So this one will be our 2b, because 1 by y we are considering as our b, so it will be our 2 into 1 by y, so 1 by y is equal to our b, so it will be our 2b is equal to our 1 and half, which is our mixed fraction. This one will be our 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3, so 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. Now this one we need to cross multiplication. So if we cross multiply this one, this equation, so it will be C, this one 3a plus our 2b, it down nothing means our 1 is there, is equal to our 3 by 2. 3 by 2. That means this down denominator 1 we need to multiply with our numerator this one. So 2 into this one if we multiply, so 2 into 3 will be our 6a, plus our 2 into 2 will be our 4 and b, and this 3 into our 1 will be our 3 into 1, 3 only. So this one will give equation number 3, because this one we got from equation number 1, we got equation number 3. Now from this 2 we will get, now this one will be our 9a plus will be our 4b is equal to our 4. Here we no need to cross multiplication because this one is our not fraction. So this one will be our equation number 4. Now from this equation number 3 or 4, for any equation we need to find out any variable value, maybe a value or b value, any one. So we are, that means from 3 it will be C, we are taking this one from 3. Here it is our a coefficient is equal to our 6 and b coefficient is equal to our 4. So if we take out a value, so it will be our, this 4b will be shift to our right hand side, so it will be our minus 4b. So 3 minus 4b. Now only a value need to find out, that means this a 3a minus 4b we need to divide by our 6. So it will be our 3a minus 4b divided by 6. So it is our a value we got, and this one will give equation number 5. This equation number 5 we got from which equation? From 3 only we got this one. So this value, a value, this value 1 we need to put in our equation number 4. Because from which equation we got, in the same equation we are not able to put this one. Other equation we need to put. So other equation is our 4. So here we need to put this a value. So equation number 4 is our 9a plus our 4b is equal to 4. So instead of this a, we need to put this value, 3a minus 4b divided by 6. This one we need to put. So see, substituting the value of a in equation 4, we get 9 into our a value, this one our a value, then will be our plus our 4b, this 4b is equal to our 4, so is equal to our 4. Now both 9 and 6 is divisible by our 3. 3 into 3 9 and 3 into 2 our 6. So here will be remain our 3 into this one 3 minus 4b divided by our 2 plus our 4b is equal to our 4. Now if we take LCM, if we are taking LCM, so it will be our, see, if we take LCM, so it will be 2 only our LCM. So 2 into this one, if we divide 2 divided by 2, 1 only. So 1 into this number, same to same will be remain. Now with 3 will multiply this one. So 3 into 3, 9. And plus minus 3 into 4 will be our 12. And b is there, so b. And this down 4b down is our 1 there. 1 divided by 2 will be 2. 2 into 4b will be our 8b. So plus 8b is equal to our 4. Now this 2 minus 12b and 8b, like term it is our minus 12 and plus our 8, so result will be our minus 4 and b there, so b. So 9 minus 4b, and this one cross multiplication, so 2 into 4 will be our 8. Now this 9 1 will shift to our right hand side, so it will be our minus 9. So here will be remain our only minus 4. 4b will be remain in our left hand side, and right hand side will be our 8 minus 9. So 8 minus 9 will be our minus 1, because big number is our minus, so it will be our minus 1. So both side minus minus will be our cancel. So b value will be our 1 divided by 4. Next, now this b value will put in our equation number 5. Equation number 5, it is our what? A is equal to 3 minus 4b divided by 6. So b value is equal to our what we got? 1 by 4. This one we need to put. So if we putting this one, the value, b value, it is our 1 by 4. So 4 will be our cancel. Will be remain our 3 minus 1 divided by 6. So 3 minus 1 is equal to our 2 divided by our 6. Now both number, numerator and denominator, is divisible by 2. 2 into 1, 2, and 2 into 3 our 6. So it will be our 1 by 3. So a value we got 1 by 3. But originally in our question it is our x and y. So we need to find out this one x and y value. So before only in maths, before starting, we consider 1 by x is equal to our a. We consider this one here, see, 1 by x is equal to our a and 1 by y is equal to our b. So 1 by x, see here, a is equal to our 1 by x. So a value we got 1 by 3. Here we got a value is equal to our 1 by 3. So 1 will be cancelled, x value will be our 3. Similarly, b is equal to 1 by y and b value we got 1 by 4. So 1 will be cancelled, y will be our 4. Therefore, the required solution is x is equal to 3 and our y is equal to 4. Now question number F. Question number F, equation 1 is our given x by 4 plus y by 5 is equal plus 1 is equal to 23. And equation number 2 is our x by 5 plus our y by 4 is equal to our 23. This one. This is our equation number 2. So from equation number 1, from this we'll take. So first these two numbers, these two terms will take LCM. X by 4 plus y by 5. These two LCM will take. So LCM 4 and 5 LCM we need to find out. So 4 and 5 LCM, both number is not divisible by a single number. So we need to multiply this one. So it will be our 20. So LCM will be our 20. And this plus 1 will shift to our right hand side. So it will be our minus 1. Now 20, this 20 will divide by our 4. So it will be our 5. We got our result 5. So 5 into x will be our 5x. This one, 5x. Plus will be our, see, 20 divided by our 5. So 4 into y will be our 4y. And 23 minus 1 will be our 22. Cross multiplication if we do now, see, it will be like this. 5x plus 4y divided by our 20 is equal to our 22. Now cross multiplication if we do, so it will be our 5x plus 4y is equal to our 22 into our 22 into our 20. So this one we are getting here. Now 22 into our 20, if multiply, then it will be our 440. So this one we are giving equation number 1. Now from equation number 2, this one what is given, this one, see, this one. Similarly, we will take our LCM. So 5 and 4 LCM will be our 20 only. So 20 like before method will apply. So it will be our 4x plus 5y is equal to our 23. Cross multiplication. So 4x plus 5y is equal to 20 into our 23 is equal to 460. So this one will be our equation number 2. So this one equation number 1 and it is our equation number 2. Now see here x coefficient 5, y coefficient 4. And this one our x coefficient is equal to our 4 and this y coefficient our 5. From 1 also we are able to take out, or from 2 also we are able to take out. So from equation number 2 we are taking out this one. So from equation number 2, see, 4x, we are taking out the value of our x value. So y1 we are shifting in our right hand side. So it will be our minus 5y. So 460 minus 5y. Now we divide this one by our 4. So this one will be our equation number 3. So we got this one equation number 3. Now this one x value we got from our equation number 2. That means this value we need to put in our equation number 1. So equation number 1, it is our given 5x plus 4y is equal to 440. So here x value is equal to our, instead of this x, we need to put our this value, x value, this one. We'll put this one. So substituting the value of x in equation number 1, we get, so 5 into this x value plus our 4y is equal to our 440. Now this 5 and 4, it is not divisible, so same to same will be remain, and we'll multiply this 5 into this one and 5 into this one. So 5 into our 460 is equal to our 2300. Plus minus minus 5 into 5, 25 and y. And if we take LCM, so LCM will be this whole number LCM. So it will, first we got, it is our 2300 minus our 25y divided by 4 plus our 4y. So this one LCM if we take, so it will be our 4 only. So 4 we got, and 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 into these numbers, if we multiply, same only. So same remain, it is our plus here, so here also will be plus. And down of this is our 1. 1 divided by our 4, 4 only. And 4 into our 4 will be our 16y. Is equal to our 440. Now here you see two our like terms are there, this one and this one. So big number is our minus, so it will be our minus. So 25 minus 16 will be our 9, so minus 9y. And 440 into our 4 will be our 1760. Cross multiplication, we got this one. Now this constant number 2300 will shift to our right hand side. So it will be our minus 2300. And right hand side will be remain our minus 9y. So 1760 minus our 2300 If we subtract, so it will be our minus 540 because big number is our minus. So both side minus minus will be cancelled. Now 540 if we divide by 9, it will be our 60. Now we'll put this y value 60 in equation number 3. In equation 3 only we'll put here y value 60. So if we put y value 60, so it will be our 460 minus 5 into y value 60. So 5 into 60 is equal to our 300. So 460 minus 300 is equal to 160 divided by our 4. And 160 is divisible by our 4. 4 into 4 16 and 0 will be remain. That means 40. So x value we got our 40. Therefore the required solution is x is equal to 40 and y is equal to our 60. Now question number G. Question number G, like before one, we did like this one math, this one like this only will do. So here we are not able to take LCM. If we take LCM, it will be our xy. So xy directly we are not able to convert again. So we need to take this one, consider this one, 1 by x is equal to our a, u, b. A we are not able to consider because this side a and b given. So we will consider u and b. 1 by x is equal to our u and 1 by y is equal to our b. So the above equation will be our ma. Mu will be because m into our 1 by x and 1 by x is equal to our u. So mu plus will be our nb is equal to our a. Similarly this one will be our nu plus mb is equal to b. This one will be equation number 2. So equation number 1 and equation number 2 we got. Now from any equation we need to take out any variables value. So we are taking out from 2 u value. So b1 will shift to our, this one will shift to our right hand side, so it will be our minus. Now u value we need to find out, that means this number we need to divide by our n. So it will be our b minus mb divided by our n. So this one will be our equation number 3. Now this value, u value we need to put in our equation number 1. Because this one you got from 2. So this value will be our, in equation number 1 we need to put. So substitute, we substitute this one in equation number 1. So substituting equation 3, this one in equation number 1 we get. So equation number 1 it is our given mu. So instead of this u we need to put this value. So we are putting this one plus our nb is equal to our a. Now this one also not able to, that means divisible, not same it is our, not possible it is our. So we multiply this a b minus mb into our m. So m into b mb plus minus minus m into m square nb plus our, if we take LCM, so it will be our n into n square b is equal to our a. Now cross multiplication if we do, so it will be our mb minus our m square b plus our n square b is equal to our na. So b all square one will keep in our, then power 1 we are keeping in our left hand side, and without power 1 we are shifting to our right hand side. So see, this one is our power, this one also power is 2 there. So this one is our positive, so we are writing this one is our first. This one negative, so we are writing this one is our second position, second term. And here it is our right hand side is our na, and this one if we shift, so it will be our minus mb. From this 2, b is our common. So b we are able to take common, so will be remain our n square minus m square is equal to will be our na minus mb. Now b value only we need to find out. For this region we will divide this na minus mb by our n square minus m square. So b will be this one. After this more reduce we are not able to do, so here only it is our finished. Now this value, b value, now we'll put it is our in equation number 3. So what is equation number 3? It is given our, see this one is our equation number 3. Here b value, this b value we need to put. So whatever b value we got, this one will put here. So u is equal to our, what is given equation? B minus mb. B minus our mb divided by our n. It was our equation number 3. U is equal to this one. So instead of this b, we'll put this one. Whatever value we got, this one. This value will put. So we are putting here this one. So this one also we are not able to, that means reduce. So multiply this our numerator into our numerator, this m. So if we multiply m and a, it will be our, and minus minus will be our plus, because here also minus, here also minus. So minus minus plus and m, and here also mb. M into our mb, it will be our m into m square b. So this one will be our m square b, and numerator will be our n square m square. Same to same will be remain, and original numerator is our n, so n same to same will be remain. Now we'll take our LCM. If we take LCM, so it will be our n square minus m square only, because down of b 1 is there. So 1 and this numbers LCM same will be our n square minus m square. Now 1 divided by m square minus m square same will be remain. So this one now multiply with our b. So b into this one, and minus this one divided by this one, same 1. So 1 into this one, so same to same will be remain. Divided by our n square m square and n. This one our n down. This n will be remain. Now for this one we need to multiply b into n square, so bn square plus minus bm square minus our amn plus our bm square. This one. Same this one only. Then divided by our n square m square, and this one will be our down one will be our reciprocal. How reciprocal? This one suppose see a by b divided by our suppose c by d. So this one is our numerator and this one is our denominator. So numerator same to same remaining, and denominator this one will be our reciprocal. That means d divided by c. Like this becoming. So here numerator is our this one. This one is our numerator, so it will be same to same will be remain, and this one is our denominator. So denominator will be our reciprocal. Reciprocal means it will be our 1 by n. Now if we multiply this one, so it will be n into our n square minus m square. This one same to same will be remain. Denominator into denominator, and here numerator any like terms are there. If there, then we'll cut. Yes, this one is there. See bm square, and it is also bm square, and one is our positive, another one is our negative. So these two will be our cancel. Will be remain our bn square, this one, and minus amn, this one will be remain. Now from here we are able to take common from this our numerator. What is our common is there? N is our common. So if we take n as common, so here our bn square. Bn square means n 2 times are there. So 1 time will take common, so will be remain our only bn minus from these two, these 3 that means terms are there here amn. So n we are taking common, so will be remain our am only, divided by our n into n square m square. Now this n and n will be our cancelled. This n will be cancelled, so will be remain our bn minus am divided by our n square m square. Next page I did this one will see. So after this one, that means n cancelled, so will be remain our bn minus am divided by our n square m square. This one. Now we got originally our u is equal to our 1 by x. So u value we got bn divided by bn minus am. Bn minus our am divided by our n square m square is equal to our 1 by x. This one. U value will put here, then 1 by x. So x will be what? This one will be our numerator, and numerator will be our denominator. Cross multiplication after this one, like this only getting. How this one I am showing you. Suppose it is our a by b is equal to our 1 by x. So cross multiplication it will be our ax is equal to our b into 1, that means b only. So x value will be our what? B by a. Means this one will be our c, numerator becoming, and numerator 1 our denominator becoming. So same like this one will be our denominator, so it will be our now numerator, and numerator 1 will be our now denominator. This one will be the x value. Similarly b value. B is equal to our 1 by y we considered before only. So b value just now we got, this one will put from here only we got this one, b value will put here. Then only y value will be our same, this one will be our numerator and this one will be our denominator. Therefore the required solution is our x is equal to our n square minus m square divided by bn minus am, and y is equal to our n square minus m square divided by na minus mb. This one.